This Cyber Monday, it's your chance to save big with Atlantic Flagpole. For one day only, we're offering incredible savings on our best-selling, high-quality products that make the perfect Christmas gifts for patriots. Here's the deal. Use discount code CYBER25 to save 25% off our most popular products, including the best-selling Phoenix Telescope and Flagpole Premier Kit. You could save up to $275 on this bestseller. Our stunning American Eagle toppers, perfect for showcasing your patriotic spirit. Our solar lights to beautifully illuminate your flag day and night. Flash collars for a polished professional look. And our durable hitch mounts built for ultimate versatility. Plus, you can enjoy 15% off everything else in our store using discount code HOLIDAY15. With double discounts, you'll save on every item in your cart. Act now to grab these deals while supplies last. Don't wait, this sale for Cyber Monday is only one day. Stock is limited and these incredible prices won't last. Order today to ensure delivery by Christmas. Whether you're shopping for yourself or looking for the perfect gift, there's never been a better time to shop patriotic and support American businesses. Visit us at Atlantic Flagpole and use code CYBER25 and HOLIDAY15 to check out the savings. Celebrate patriotism, save big, shop American made this Cyber Monday. Atlantic Flagpole, supporting your patriotic pride this holiday season. Shop now and make this Christmas one to remember.